Want to create stunning event flyer like this? Stay tuned! Before we start, get the resources and the fonts I used from the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notifications. Let's go. Open Photoshop, click on New File, and let's create the workspace. Set the width and height to 2000 pixels each, and confirm it.
Perfect, perfect.
Click on the folder icon below the Layers panel to create a group and name it accordingly. Let's import the background image. Go to File and click on Place Embedded. Choose the image and confirm it. Hold Shift plus Alt to transform in proportion. Extend it so it fills to canvas like so. With the layer selected, press Ctrl plus U to open Hue and Saturation. Check Colorize and make the following adjustments. Click OK to apply the changes. Add a mask to the layer like so, and grab the gradient tool. Make sure the settings is the same as mine. We're going to fade the bottom part upwards in a straight direction. To do so, hold the Shift key and drag the cursor up. Press V to release any tool after use. Apply color balance, and make these adjustments accordingly. The background is too bright, so let's add levels to darken it a little bit. Unlink the mask from the background layer. Select the mask and press Ctrl plus T. Extend it like so to remove the white area at the bottom, and hit Enter to confirm it. Click in between the background layer and the mask to relink it. Close the group and lock it.
Perfect.